Alrighty, Alex here, founder of Partnerhub. I want to do a quick 5-minute demo in between calls here because there are a few things that are new, but some of you are new to the ecosystem. So if that's you, welcome. If we haven't met, nice to meet you. I'm going to get my ugly face out of here real quick. So let's talk about Partnerhub and the strategy within. We are building a product to house partnerships, which is going on in other spaces right now, in sales tech, in HR tech, fintech. You see these products, these platforms that handle a lot of what it is you need to do for you, not just give you the UI to add data, send some emails and messages, but actually give you a strategy in the UI and UX. And that's what we're trying to build. Partnerships is a process. It requires strategy. It requires two people at least, and not necessarily two companies. That's one thing that I think most people need to realize about partnerships is that it is a P2P business. It's you and I building something together. So we're trying to productize that. This is an agency login. You see your dashboard, a little bit of information, recent activity, top partners, etc. We're going to start servicing live offers, which I'll show you a second in the dashboard, and some other cool things, recent tasks. All of your management materials and a UI are here. So you have all of your partners, you have discussions, chat, pretty simple, and document exchange. You can make documents partner facing, or you can have them internal only. So you may have a contract that you want your team to use that you store here, but then you may have sales assets, decks. We call a partner memorandum is a great tool to use to make sure that you and your partner are on the same page. If you need any of these strategies, by the way, just go to the community and search them here, like Memorandum, I believe is in here. Also, if we're partners, here, it's linked in a bunch of this stuff here. If we're partners, you can just go to our profile, Partnerhub profile, and just click on that. You can download it. The reason for this is when you enter into a new partnership, both people are expecting things. Both people have different sort of perceptions of what it is you're trying to do. Partner memorandums are documents that you and I have that says we're entering into a partnership to get blank done. I'm expected to do blank. You're expected to do blank. Here are the logos that we're going after. Here are URLs where we're going to put each other's logos. Here's the social accounts that we're going to use to market the partnership. And here's the points of contact. And here's the co-selling solution that we're going to use. Co-selling is another strategy that is baked into partnership. It can be bettered faster with a third-party solution called Reveal, which will allow you to upload or sync CRMs and map accounts. It is free, so check out Reveal. We operationalize the co-selling and co-marketing events strategies for you in these projects. What's great about these projects is, A, they're pre-built, so you don't need to think about what to do, but also they notify your partner when you reach critical stages at that or in that journey. So if you're co-marketing with a partner, when you get to that stage where you're supposed to do social announcements, we need the other partner to be notified, and the projects will take care of that for you. Let's talk about this project, the new technology partnerships project. This is exactly that. It's a curated backlog of tech companies that the app is suggesting you partner with based on your overlapping customer profile. You can open these up, review what they have to offer, watch a product video, check out this area up here. This tells you exactly how you can partner with them or some of the benefits of partnering with them. You can deploy, snooze, or pass on the partnership. I'm going to move this over here. Another thing you can do is sort by live offers. Our users love live offers because they are ephemeral, valuable features. Typically, we tell the tech companies that if you want to partner with an agency, you can't just present your program in a direct message. You can't just email them, we offer 20% commission, join our program. You're relying on that agency, the service provider, the other partner, to need your product right then and there. And of course, We all have client stuff going on. We all have other things that we need to focus on. It's hard for us to stop what we're doing and consider exploring a new product like this. But Firework comes to you with, get featured on our website, and I don't need to sign up for the product, and I don't need to be a partner, and you're going to highlight me in the site. That associates us, that gives that reciprocity engine a nice turn. And most of the time you'll appreciate it, and you'll have benefits of working with this company, and you'll have a positive experience. Then, of course, if the product is a fit for partnerships, you can continue down this track to reach trusted partner status. So check out live offers. There's a bunch of them in your backlog. You can adjust your backlog by changing the profile settings here, what vertical you target. The backlogs are going to get more and more refined, but it's based on vertical for right now. And let's talk about this real quick. The marketplace. So the marketplace is huge for any agencies that want to partner. It allows you to quickly run filters for things like primary area of advisory. And this is the agency marketplace. There's a tech marketplace as well. But the strategy here is to find agencies that are either selling the same service, but maybe selling it in a different way, right? Or selling an analogous service, a tangential service to you. And you reach out to these agencies and say, hey, I saw you are partnering with HubSpot. We are too, but I also saw that you're offering PPC services. We don't offer PPC. I'd love to collaborate with you on some stuff and see if a partnership makes sense. You can say all that in this message area here. So build your partnerships here. Invite prospects. If you don't know the partner manager, just click invite prospect, select no, and just type the URL. Opportunities, I'll touch on this real quick. You can submit opportunities to the agency ecosystem. These are projects or co-marketing opportunities. An example of a co-marketing opportunity is if I wanted to do a big white paper or a webinar, I need others to be collaborative in that process. I would submit that as an opportunity here. I select the vertical of agency that I want the opportunity to go to. It only goes to other agencies. And then if it's a specific project, like a CRO project or a copywriting project or a data analytics project, I would select the service. But if it's a co-marketing opportunity, I would just want a certain type of vertical. Finally, sent and received referrals. You can update pipeline status here, update estimated value, send and receive referrals. Finally, integrations, connect Slack at the very least. They're pre-built for Pipedrive, Salesforce, HubSpot, and Slack, but you can create your own custom guided flows here. If you've ever used Zapier, it works very much the same way. Select your endpoint that you want to trigger. Partnerhub would be the main one. And then select a series of events that you want to trigger. And there are a few hundred tools in here, so select which ones make sense for you. Finally, we just added this indicator. So when you have partners, check this number out. It leads to your partners area, and you have new matches over here that you can explore. That's it for now. Thank you for staying tuned, and we'll see you inside Slack. If you don't have a Slack invite, let me know.